So who decides this? Can karma decide it by itself? No. So there has to be one person, and then your karma is involved with so many other people. So who is making this arrangement? This complicated arrangement that your karma and the other person's karma, you both have to go through something, then how they have to mesh together. And people are all from different places, different times, and how they come together, have some common karma, and then they are separated. So who is making this arrangement? There has to be somebody. So therefore he says that because karma is jada, so there has to be somebody who is inside you, who is impelling you to function. Sarvasya chaham hridhi sannivishto matta smritir jnanam apohanam. Krishna says that I give memory. Suddenly you remember, oh, actually I'm supposed to go to Delhi. And then you go and you meet something happens. So that's how your karma was arranged. Or you forget to go there and this you avoid something would have happened. There was a big bomb blast in the train and you didn't go, you forgot to catch the train or flight. So who made this arrangement? He says Antah Project. There is somebody inside who is the controller, who is the Priyojaka for this. Because by yourself it is not possible. So that is the super soul. एष हि अनेन आत्मना चक्षुषा दर्शयति श्रोत्रेण श्रावयति मनसा मानयति बुद्ध्या बोधयति तस्मादेतव आहु श्रुतिर अश्रुति. This is from the Bhalave Ashruti, one part of the Vedas, where it says that it is only through the Lord that He makes us see through our eyes, hear through the ears, think through our mind, discriminate through the intelligence, etc. And to know that this is the path to be followed, this is to be avoided. So this proves the existence of super soul. And this also proves the existence of Bhagavan. How does this prove it? It says, Atha tasmai cha antaryamitva aishwaryaya teshu yadi sarvansenaiva pravashati kopi parastada स्वतः पूर्णत्व भावाद अनिश्वरत्व में शादिति अनुपत्ति द्वारा अंतर्यामी रूपेण तस्य अंशेन भगवान अपि लक्ष्यते. If we assume that Lord with all His power has entered inside us and there is nobody else outside, so then what will happen? So then again there will be no more control. Because there has to be someone who has to combine all this. The super soul is inside and he can observe things, he can inspire you to act in a particular manner. But it also has to be coordinated outside. Therefore he says that if there is no Bhagavan outside, then this super soul being inside will also become as good as if there is no control. So this proves that there is also Lord Bhagavan existing outside. So this way he proves the existence of the soul, super soul, and also Bhagavan. Otherwise, one cannot explain how the world is functioning without these three manifestations, these three things. It is not possible to explain things as they are happening. So therefore Krishna says, अतएव गीतोपनिषत्सु अथवा बहुनयतेन किम ज्ञातेन तवार्जुन विष्टभ्याम इदम कृत्स्नम एकांशेन स्थितो जगत. This is verse from 10th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, where Krishna was speaking about his vibhutis, And then he said that what is the need to know all my vibhutis? You should know that this whole universe is just functioning by one expansion of mind, Ekansha. So that one expansion is the super soul. So the super soul is with every living being and controlling the karma and arranging for the karma to become manifest. And there is Bhagavan outside. Vishnu Purana it is also mentioned in Vishnu Purana. Swashakti Leshavrita Bhuta Sarva. That this creation is just a manifestation of one of his power. तथा जीवः प्रयोजक कर्तृ प्रेरित व्यापारः आस्वतंत्र्यात् तक्षादि कर्म कर जनवत इत्येवम् अंतर्यामिनी तद्वेधा व्याप्ति द्वारा सिद्धे पुनस्तेनैव भगवान अपि स्यादते. So he says that just as the living being, the existence of the soul was proven in two ways, existence of the super soul is also proven in two ways. One is this one, and the next one is this proof. He says that all living beings, they are performing their activities being impelled by somebody. Why? Because they are not independent. That we can all experience, that we are not independent. We may think that we are independent, or we may desire to be independent, but the fact is that we are not, and this is everyone's experience, because we do so many things to become happy, but so many times we are frustrated. So that shows that we are not the controller, we are not the master. So he says taksadi karmakara janvat. Just like if there is a carpenter, the carpenter does not work by himself. Somebody engages him. Otherwise, if he has no work, he is not going to take his instrument and cut the wood. So like that, living entities, they are not independent. They are also impelled, they are inspired to function. And that inspirer is the super soul. That is the proof of the super soul. And then super soul proves the existence of Bhagavan. तुच्छ वैभव जीव अंतर्यामी स्वरूपम ईश्वर तत्वम निजंसी तत्व आश्रयम तथैव पर्याप्ते राज प्रभुत्व आश्रित तक्षादि कर्म कर प्रयोजक प्रभुत्ववति. So he said, just because the super soul who is inside, he is only observing and inspiring. So that cannot be Bhagavan, because Bhagavan is that who creates the universe. That super soul inside is not doing that, because that she is doing a very little work. So you may have a small manager looking after a carpenter, but then there is a owner of the industry. So this is the proof that super soul is not Bhagavan, because super soul has its limitation, limited power. So then it has to have nijansi tattva ashrayam, that it is dependent on its anshi, or its source from whom it expands. Tathaiva paryapte, and that is the completeness, that is Bhagavan. Raja prabhutva ashrit takshadi karma kar priyojak prabhutva. So just like there is a king and he is building his palace, so he is not going to the carpenter directly and telling him that the doors or the tables or furniture has to be made like this. He has people under him, ministers and others, and they have the power and they engage the carpenter.